See, this festival has been organized as a part of the events for the World Environment Day that is going to be held on 5th of June. And through this festival, we are also having awareness programs for saving the environment and focusing on a very important aspect that is this year's theme, land restoration and drought resilience. Apart from that, another specific focus is livelihood through alternate produce from the forest. Like we all know that in Kashmir, timber is a mainstay for the economy. So we want to divert livelihood from just timber to other medicinal herbs, other products that come from the forest, and that this is one small effort to showcase that.
Sir, what are the future plans and goals in terms of this ecotourism when it comes to forest division Kamraj?
See, the goals when it comes to ecotourism are that we have to create a plan where ecotourism does not entail pollution and destruction of the beauty of this place. We have areas like Lola Valley. In fact, in our area, you have Machil, you have parts of Kandi range that is next to Wooler. So our plan includes providing new trek routes, providing adventure tourism activities, and as well as promoting the already existing cultural heritage of this place. So my message to the people of Kupwara is a very simple one, that Kashmir, I come from outside this place, and the beauty of Kashmir lies in the nature, lies in its forest, and it is up to us, it is up to you and me to preserve this beauty.
So last question is, can't you work jointly for the betterment of this?
We are actually. It is already in the pipeline, you must have heard. We are working jointly, the Forest Department, Revenue and Tourism, all of us are working jointly to develop Lolab and other areas. Obviously, I can't speak for other areas outside my division, but definitely for Lolab.
Sir, how these people...
Example of cooperation, right? We have had sericulture, agriculture, we had NABARD.
And your line department is also working here, Nazir Saab is working here.
Yes, Nazir Saab has been the mainstay for Nagri Wari, and he has helped. See, he has a good coordination with other departments, and I myself have liaised with NABARD. Our range officer has liaised with all other departments who could come and who have actually provided good livelihood opportunities. So this is a good result. So believe me, there is no lack of coordination. We have a good team on the table.
Thank you, sir.